Hello mga kaibigan, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Nandito po kami ngayon sa The Institute of Human Mechanics. So dito po magpapagamot si Roxanne dahil meron po siyang tendon tear. Nalalaki masyado yung kamay niya, lalo sa kanang kamay. So ngayon magpapagamot po siya. Tara, samahan niyo kami. In today's episode, pumunta kami sa The Institute of Human Mechanics para magpagamot si Mrs. Matagal na kasi niyang iniinda yung sakit sa right elbow niya. Kaya pala sumasakit kasi meron siyang tendon tear. A tendon tear commonly refers to tiny tears in the tissue in and around the tendon caused by a muscle's inability to optimally absorb shock, load, and force. Kaya, nag-decide siyang magpa-platelet-rich plasma injection para matapos na ang kanyang paghihirap. Kaya napunta kami sa The Institute of Human Mechanics. Pagpasok mo pa lang, yung clinic na to mukhang mamahalin. Kita nyo naman no? Diba? Napakaganda ng surroundings. So ang unang ginawa sa kanya, kinuhanan siya ng dugo. Yung plasma mula sa dugo niya, yun kasi ang gagamitin for the injection. After kuhanan ng dugo, ngayon naman ay ultrasound ng kanyang elbow. After ng ultrasound, ayan, dumating na yung doktor.
Where do you guys live? Where's your home?
We live in Killen Lawrence.
Killen Lawrence. Okay, so not too far from here, but still far. Was the traffic bad? I heard there's some kind of fire or
Yeah.
something, right? Fire up the road? Did you see it?
I didn't see it.
The patient said that's why they were late. Okay, so we're just gonna freeze a tiny bit, okay? There we go. Ready, 1, 2, 3. Sorry about the pitch. Just one sec. This guy. It'll burn, okay? That's it. Okay? Important that you wear the brace, okay? You ready to go here? Tiny little pinch, okay? Here we go, ready? 1, 2, 3. Pressure, ready for me to do it? Okay. Some discomfort right here. So I know that's the spot. Hang in there. Squeeze that ball if you need to, okay? Excellent. Does that feel like the spot that bothers you?
Yeah.
Okay, that's, I know it's not pleasant to get this injection, but it's good to know that we're getting the right area, okay? Much bigger. Doing okay?
At yan na. After na injection, in-advise na lang siya ng doktor na huwag masyadong mag-strain, lalo na sa paggamit ng kanyang right arm. Kaya nga, nag-request siya ng 5 days off sa kanyang work. At ayan guys, maraming salamat po sa panonood. Hanggang sa susunod, don't forget to subscribe!